Good morning, students. This is your science teacher. I hope everyone is doing good and staying at home. Though you are all missing your school, but don't worry, we have found a novel way to interact with you all. We all will be meeting soon once the situation would be favorable. As you have already learned living and non living things in the previous class, but today we are going to explore more on living and non living things. In our daily life, we see a number of things around us. They are rocks, hills, cars, buildings, people, flowers, butterflies, and a variety of plants and animals. Things can be natural or man made, living or non living things. Natural things that are not made by humans, like sun, air, water, plants, animals, rocks, and hills. They may be living or non living. Human made things, things that are made by humans, like house, car, book, pencil, beds, and so on. So, students, let us now study the features of living things which make them different from non living things. All the animals and plants are living things. Human beings are also living things. Living things move, grow, breathe, need food, feel changes, remove waste from their bodies, and reproduce. So, the first feature is living things move. Living things can move on their own. Animals move from one place to another in search of food. Animals such as dogs, cats, and human beings walk with the help of their legs. Birds and bees fly with the help of wings. Fish move with the help of fins. Non living things don't move. So, the second feature is living things grow. Plants and animals grow with time. A child grows into an adult. A seed grows into a plant. Non living things like books, toys, dolls, etc. don't grow. Living things breathe. All living things need oxygen to breathe. Living things breathe through lungs. Cockroaches, butterflies, and mosquitoes breathe through air holes in their body. Plants breathe through tiny pores called stomata. Non living things do not breathe. Living things need food, water, and sunlight to survive. Food gives us energy to perform various activities. Plants prepare their own food with the help of air, water, and sunlight. Non living things don't need food. Living things feel changes. Living things can feel changes around them, like hot and cold weather. Like when we touch an ice cube, our fingers feel cold. When we hear music, our feet start tapping the floor. In the same way, animals and plants can also feel changes. Most animals feel or sense changes around them with the help of their sense organs, that is, eyes to see, nose to smell, ears to hear, tongue to taste, and skin to feel. Cockroaches, grasshoppers, and butterfly have special body parts, antennae, to feel changes. Plants also feel changes around them. Example, mimosa, that is called touch me not plant, feels a touch. A lotus flower opens out at sunrise and closes at night. Non living things do not feel changes. Living things excrete. Living things need to remove waste from their bodies. This process is called excretion. Non living things do not excrete. Living things reproduce. The process by which living things produce more of their own kind, it is known as reproduction. A dog gives birth to puppies. Plants produce seeds from which new plants grow. Human beings give birth to babies. Non living things do not reproduce. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.